mahirap at i-give up na tayo kagad, hindi natin ma-achieve or magagampanan yung dapat natin gawin. So the SME program is something that is being championed by our other company called Amazing Philippine Digital Economic Corporation. We separated it because Airspeed is a company that's dealing with bulk or corporations or hindi talaga pang MSMEs. But we need to understand and to relate to the SMEs to be able to help them, to be able to assist them. Yung iba nga sasabihin, advocacy yan. Siguro nga, pero you know, it's a purpose-built and a driven type of work that we're doing to help them that eventually will help us also because we have to be sustainable eh. Paano kang tutulong kung wala ka namang kikitain at hindi ka sustainable at hindi ka scalable? Kailangan lahat yan sustainable, scalable. So, SME program is going to be discussed by Lai Bernardino, who is actually championing the SME program.
We have shown you under this particular video, we have SME program that we are launching today. We have Sinaspeak, it's an online platform wherein our partner sellers like them or our sellers na mga pinupuntahan natin during trade shows and forums and conference. We invite them to check on our online booking platform. This is just an entry level wherein SME or a seller you'll have their parang sign up, chance to have another arm to send their products. Initially, they'll have an account manager, and after that, we will transition them to a bigger picture of what Airspeed is doing under end-to-end logistics service. So another program is Kahanga-Hanga Pilipinas. So this is one of the projects that really close to our heart. Why? We support local goods. This particular platform supports local products that are really product of different provinces here in the Philippines. Like Ms. Rafaels mentioned a while ago that we have been tying up with different government agencies, LGUs, and also private sectors, which can help these sellers to sell online. Ano yung mga produkto na meron kami? Ito yung mga sample na meron kaming product na in-onboard namin or in-enlist namin dun sa website namin, Kahanga-Hanga Pilipinas. It's a platform where we sell local products, and these are part of our SME program and vision that we wanted to support all of these particular sellers to showcase their products using our platform. These sellers doesn't have any, or some of them doesn't have a resource to have their own web.com or website. And some are also setting up the page. But they are mostly digitally adopted. That's for those that are not yet digitally adopted, we help them upload their products. So we give them assistance. Next program is the Budo, or which is pick up and drop off network partners. So this gives more flexibility to our sellers to deliver their goods. So sample, may order sila. And they are parang, like what I have said, may pain points. Nagbebenta sila online, tapos nagtatrabaho din sila sa umaga, sa gabi lang sila pwedeng fulfill ng order. So pwede silang pumunta sa mga retail kiosk namin, and then, or Pudo partners to drop off this particular parcel and send their products to their clients. Another thing is fulfilled by Airspeed. We also do handling and organizing of orders. So one of the pain points that we have discussed during the discussion a while ago is yung pain point na nahihirapan sila mag-fulfill pag overflow na yung order. So we have also this particular program wherein we handle all of the products. Kami yung nagpipick, nagpapack ng physical. Especially those sellers that are under Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok already. We help them to fulfill their orders para hindi ma-cancel kasi benta na yun sa kanila. So yan yung mga, isa sa mga, yan yung mga programs na meron kami with Active and SME program of Airspeed. We also have digital customer service. So ano tong digital customer service? Ito yung, we help these sellers to engage and give good experience to their customers. Pag may mga inquiry, alam naman natin pag nag-inquire, interesado. So we need to make sure that these particular questions are being answered para mag-turn or mag-convert siya sa benta. So we also help our sellers or our merchants to have this particular service. And then, so we are already envisioning SME program to help our sellers or merchants in the future. And in relation to these particular programs, we are also giving away up to 10% discount for all of the sellers or partners of Airspeed that will be signing up to our SME program. So why we do local products or local brands? Bakit hindi yung mga international tsaka malalaki? So as Ms. Rafael mentioned already, this particular local brands, they are the backbone of our community. So by supporting local brands, we support ourselves. So we foster local economic improvement. And then we also serve unique creativeness of our partners. So we wanted to envision everything as local. Kagaya na sabi ni Ma'am Rafael, we support them, we support our own. So not only this, the SME program is just the start of what we have partnered. We will have more and scalable plans as we move forward. And we have a lot of things to do and partner with the sellers and merchants, and hope we can help us also give this message to everyone and help us or encourage Filipino sellers to sell online, to patronize our products.
We have international and domestic trade forwarding. We have partners like Philippine Airlines and FedEx who are giving discounts for the SME merchant, yung ating mga merchants na naka-sign up sa amin. Aside from that, we are offering them fulfillment by Airspeed, so storage solutions and e-commerce fulfillment. So let's say, itong ating mga entrepreneurs, ano rin sila, may mga day jobs sila, may mga produkto sila. Hindi na nila kayang asikasuhin yung paglalagay sa packaging, sa part, ng mga kung ano-ano, di ba, bago i-out. They can ask Airspeed, we can help them via the SME program to do all these things. We have the pick-up and drop-off facilities. So kung malalayo ang kanilang places, they can utilize the Pudo locations or Pudo partners of Airspeed. We have 5 in SM malls, and we're growing this kasi pati mga cooperatives, LGUs, kasama po sa Pudo program natin. Para ating mga merchants, hindi na sila problema how to send their items. Finance and market assistance, we mentioned that also. We are not a bank But we have good financial partners, and kagaya ng Women's Business Council Philippines, we have a partnership through RPR, who is the chairperson of Women Biz PH, for those merchants na nangangailangan ng financial assistance. Yun yung ating may offer sa kanila. And last but not the least, trainings and trade shows. As mentioned, ating mga SMEs, kaya naman nilang lumaki, but they need assistance, they need to be educated, kailangan nilang magabayan. So, kami, when we started in 1985, six employees, diba? Hindi naman ito naging overnight success for RPR and the team. It took us time. Kaya gusto namin to give back to these kinds of entrepreneurs. Sabi nga nila ay talagang ina-assist namin. So yun po, yun ang SME program, and we are hoping that through your stories, you can help us share and ask yung mga gustong magbenta, gustong mag-start ng negosyo, if they need assistance to grow their business, they can sign up via the SME program of AirSpeed. So, hindi po tayo tapos.
2021, nung sisigan ng pandemic. And then, we started from vegetables since taga-Baguio kami. So, sa Southern Luzon kami na gano'n, Cavite province. And then, we come up kasi yung hirap magtinda sa palengke. So, we come up with other line of business para makakope up kami. And then, kasi kailangan yung help din kasi. So, ito, pumasok kami sa, naging we serve as a market channel na hindi kami mismo yung gumagawa ng sarili naming product, pero we do collaborations and partnerships with other MSMEs na wala silang means para maiparating sa ibang lugar yung mga products.